the other hand, Rwanda's High Commissioner to Zambia, Chargé d'Affaires Abel Buhungu, had this to say.
And we are aware, since then over 60 shops have been looted, and quite a number of our nationals have sought refuge in police stations, as well as, of course, here at the High Commission. So our intervention has been on three fronts. One, we have advised all nationals to do exactly what they have done. Once threatened, run to the nearest police station for safety, but also to be alert, avoid unnecessary movements, particularly to high density or highly densely populated areas. So keep to their residences rather than go to their usual businesses or the shops, because those are targets. Number two, other than advising, and of course on the advice we also insisted that they must always observe and strictly abide by the national laws. But number two, on the interventions, we've also engaged the government authorities. On Monday, right, the very first day of these mob activities, we engaged with the diplomatic police, who are the people that are responsible for dealing with liaising with embassies and high commissions.
Reporting for CBC News, Meshek Nyirongo in Lusaka.